So one of the most essential applications that each Android user requires is file managing applications, as there are literally thousands of file managing applications in the Play Store. This one here which I'm going to show you is not available in the Play Store, but it packs a lot of feature in it. So this is me Bbek, and in this video I'm going to show you one of the best file managing application for your Android device. So with that being said, leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and let's get this started. The app is called Me Explorer. Me Explorer is one of the best Android file manager out there, with a very neat user interface and plenty of features that should appeal to both casual and power users. Like for one, it offers a tap support and a dual panel mode on big screen, which helps if you are working with several folders at once. You can also access all your cloud files with up to 17 services to select from, including all the popular ones such as Google Drive, Dropbox, Mega, and OneDrive. Me Explorer also supports root access for advanced operations, advanced source functionalities, and a very customizable user interface, and it packs a lot and many of the functionalities within itself. So if you are searching for a best file explorer for your Android device, then it's a very well-rounded file manager you can get for free, and that doesn't include any kind of ads. So link is in the description below. It's a must try to check it out. So that was it for this video, guys. If you guys love this video and found it useful, then leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and you guys have a great day. Peace.